frying. I am trying to enjoy my meal in peace. If you don't stop, I will take you to market and trade you for more seeds. Your mom won't even notice.
Okay, I love you too, baby, but you're hugging a little too hard. Easy! I'm not a stuffed animal. I'm a real bird. With real bones that can break. Okay, gentle, deep breath. Jody?
Yes, Papa.
Eating sugar?
No, Papa.
Telling lies?
Nope.
Open mouth. No biting.
Friends. We are friends.
Larry, I'm warning you. One more word and you're going back in the cage.
One more word? Here's 3. You should arrest your haircut for assault.
You little punk!